Chapter 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind, Book Beehive. Now, this chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind, is all about Albert Einstein, famous scientist. Now, you see, before we read, who do you think of when you hear the word genius? Who is a genius? So, genius, according to the literary meaning, is a person who is an exceptionally intelligent person or a person having uncommon talent. We shall now read about a young German civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. In the summer of 1905, the 26-year-old published in quick succession four ground-breaking papers about light, the motion of particles, electrodynamics, that is again a field of science, of moving bodies, and energy. Now, this young German Albert Einstein, he published four papers of science. One was about light, one was about the motion of particles, another about electrodynamics of moving bodies, and another of energy. And his work took up only a few pages in scientific journals. Journals means magazines, but changed forever our understanding of space, time, and the entire cosmos. Means whatever he wrote, that changed our thinking, that changed our understanding of the space time, and transformed means changed the name Einstein into a synonym for genius. और इस तरह से आइंस्टाइन जो है वो पर्यायवाची बन चुके हैं जीनियस के. 50 years after his death, Albert Einstein's genius still reigns. It is that his genius, his intelligence, his work still governs the world. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in the German city of Ulm, right? Without any indication that he was destined for greatness. There was no indication, there was no sign that he was destined. Destined means that he was loved for greatness. बचपन में ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगता था जिससे देखकर लगे कि एल्बर्ट बहुत ग्रेट होंगे, बड़े महान बनेंगे. ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेरी, हिज मदर थॉट एल्बर्ट वॉज अ फ्रीक. ऑन द ऑपोजिट, कॉन्ट्रेरी मीन्स ऑपोजिट, उनकी मदर ने सोचा कि एल्बर्ट तो एक ऑड है, बड़ा अलग है, बड़ा अजीब तरह का बच्चा है. टू हर हिज हेड सीम टू लार्ज. हिज हेड वॉज वेरी वेरी लार्ज. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking. So till 2.5, he was not talking. He was very odd. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. And funny thing, when he started speaking, he spoke everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do with other children, and his playmates called him Brother Boring. So this was the name given to this great genius. He did not play with them. He did not speak to them. उसका नाम रख दिया Brother Boring. So the youngster played by himself much of the time. So he played much of the time to himself. He especially loved mechanical toys. Looking at his newborn sister Maja, he is said to have said, "Fine, but where are her wheels?" So when he saw his newborn sister, he said, okay, where are her wheels? Because he loved mechanical toys. A headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose as a profession wouldn't matter, because he will never make a success at anything. So once even his headmaster complained to his father कि वो कोई भी profession ले ले, उसको success तो मिलेगी नहीं. Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6, but his mother wanted him to. Because his mother wanted to. He later became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining his skill throughout his life. And he learned, good thing is he learned to play violin at the age of 6, and because his mother wanted, and he was a gifted amateur. Amateur means who loves to do. Okay, he was not a professional, but he loved to be a violinist. He used to play violin, musical instrument, and he maintained that throughout his life. But Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. He went to high school in Munich. Munich is a city of Germany, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old. तो वो लोग म्यूनिक चले गए, वहाँ पर वो पढ़ते थे, and scored good marks in almost every subject. Einstein hated the school regimentation. Now this was the most important thing about Einstein's life. Though he went to school, everything was there, his parents wanted him to go to school, but he did not like the regimentation. Regimentation means order, discipline of the school, and often clashed with his teachers. And he had a very time, he always argued, clashed means argued with his teachers. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled there. Stifled means he was suffocated there. He was unable to breathe. He did not like the school's atmosphere, that he left the school for good. So at the age of 15, when others are studying and preparing, he already left the school. The previous year, Albert's parents had moved to Milan and left their son with relatives. Now, the previous year only, when he was 15, they moved to Milan. This is now city in Italy, and they left Einstein with the relatives. After prolonged discussion, prolonged means a lengthy discussion, Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German speaking Switzerland. And after long discussion with his parents, he was allowed to have his education in Switzerland, where some people they spoke German, in a city which was more liberal than Munich. Liberal means willing to understand and respect others ideas. एक liberal उसे कहते हैं जो दूसरे के ideas को लेता है तो थोड़ा सा वक्त के साथ change होता है. So he loved Switzerland more than Munich. Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics and interested in physics, and after finishing school, he decided to study at a university in Zurich. And he was very gifted in mathematics, very good in maths, interested in physics. And after he finished his school life, he went to university in Zurich, that is again in Switzerland. But science wasn't the only thing that appealed to the dashing man. Dashing man means very handsome man, bright man with a walrus mustache. He had a walrus mustache. So this is a walrus mustache. Mustache which looks like animal mustache. He also felt a special interest in a fellow student, Mileva Maric, whom he found to be a clever creature. So while he was studying, he was interested in a fellow student, in his friend called Mileva Maric, and he called her clever creature. This young Serb, so this girl was from Serbia, another country in Europe, had come to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few in Europe where women can get degrees. So at that time, she also came to Zurich to study because in every university women were never not given the degrees. Einstein saw in her an ally against the Philistines. So Einstein saw in her ally. Ally means a friend or an associate. He found her a great friend, his great friend. And what are Philistines? Philistines is a word used disapprovingly to talk about people who do not like art, literature, or music. So एली अगेंस्ट द फिलिस्टीन्स. तो आइंस्टाइन को भी वो लोग पसंद नहीं थे जिनको ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट होता था, हु वर वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन लिटरेचर, आर्ट और म्यूजिक. सो ही फाउंड हर एली, शी ऑल्सो. सो बोथ हैव द सेम मेंटालिटी. इट मीन्स विद whom he was constantly at odds. और उसके साथ odds में भी रहता था, उसके साथ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट भी बहुत होता था. The couple fell in love and they both fell in love. So this is all about in part 1.